Indonesia has the most dense forests in the world after Amazon. The tropical climate and volcanic soil are rich. Both are the perfect blend for the development of medicinal plants. Capitalize on all these features, we IPB researchers who are competent synergistic in the Tropical Biopharmaca Research Center or TropBRC. The name Biopharmaca is taken from animals, plants, and microbes that have the potential as medicine, health food, functional food, and nutraceutical. Researchers who join under the umbrella of TropBRC, as many as 66 people from various multidisciplines. Operations at TropBRC are assisted by 22 staff of research assistants, administration, technicians, and analysts. TropBRC founder Professor Tony Angerer, Professor Nundin Sayuti, Professor Suminar Setiati Ahmadi, Professor Dudung Darusman, and Professor Latifa Kadarusman, determined to develop science and technological innovation to anticipate demands and changes in the use of biopharmaceuticals. TropBRC is also involved in the preparations of Roadmap Indonesian Herb and academic texts to pioneer the draft herbal medicine law. In its journey, various awards have been achieved by the Center of Tropical Biopharmaceutical Study, both at the individual researcher level and at the institutional level. TropBRC has also obtained ISO 9001-2015 and ISO 7025 certificates for laboratories. Status as a leading center of science and technology was awarded in December 2013. 2014 obtained Prayogasala, or Award for the Best R&D Institution from the Ministry of Research and Technology. The TropBRC is headed by the head of the center with the following vision. TropBRC has a number of divisions, namely Natural Resources and Biopharmaceutical Cultivation Utilizations Division, Product Development Division, Divisions of Community Empowerment and Development of the Biopharmaceutical Market, Cooperations and Network Division. To support its research activities, TropBRC has 5 units: Biopharmaca Conservation and Cultivation Station, which provides services to supply raw material for medicinal plants, various types of cyclical medicinal plants, seedling medicinal plants, identifications of medicinal plants, land rental services for research and research on medicine, garden visits and apprenticeships, as well as cultivations of crops. Laboratory of Tropical Biopharmaca Research Center, providing services form of quality testing services for biopharmaceutical ingredients or medicinal plants, such as the content of compounds contained, plant cyclical bioactivity, as well as product safety, biological and chemical security. Some tests can be carried out in biopharma laboratory, including qualitative and quantitative chemical content of plant, such as cercaminoid content in turmeric rhizome, androgapholida in bitter plant, sinensetin in catswood, gingerol, ginger, etc. Lab can also perform bioactivity tests such as antioxidant activity, inhibitions of the tyrosine enzyme, enzyme alpha-glucosidase, and so on. Some tests have entered the scope of ISO 1725 accreditations and have been validated with the quality of the results of a guaranteed analysis. These services are reported in the form of an analysis certificate. Animal Testing Laboratory, which provide services to academics, researchers, industry, the private sector, and the public, including the provisions of animal testing mice, as well as preclinical testing services, including anti-diabetic, anti-cholesterolemia, anti-inflammatory, acute toxicity testing, subchronic toxicity, teratogenic toxicity, hepatoprotector, breast milk booster, immunomodulatory, and aromatherapy. We also develop anti-diabetic, anti-cholesterol, and obesity research using zebrafish. Other activities are pangolin animal conservation, pangolin feed formulations and development, unit pilot plan and workshop, is one of the units in the organizational structure of the Tropical Biopharmaceutical Study Center, LPPM-IPB. One of the UPPW work programs is to provide training and/or assistance to the public consumers regarding standardizations of raw material and herbal medicinal products, or herbal medicine, post-harvest handling, biopharmaceutical product technology, good manufacturing practices, or GMP, and CPOTB, cooperates with related divisions or sections and coordinates training, workshop activities for biopharmaceutical stakeholders. Some of the training, workshop activities that we carried out, among others. Unit Informations and Public Relation. This unit aims to disseminate information on TropBRC activities to the public and stakeholders through websites and exhibitions at home and abroad. In addition to disseminating the results of the 2 studies from researchers in the TropBRC Biopharma field published JAMU Journal, which has been accredited from the Ministry of Research, Technology, and Higher Education, TropBRC has developed information technology-based services, including TropBRC Management Information System, including management of research information, management of information on human resources, management of facilities and infrastructure information, and financial reporting information system. Predictive system of herbal formula based on network pharmacology and machine learning, or CEJA. This computing system can compress the formula candidates for certain properties. And now, TropBRC will continue to strive to carry out the mandate, give the best for Indonesia and the international world.